Step inside a Georgian country home where nature, history, and sustainability come together. From restored heirlooms to eco-friendly finishes, every detail invites the outdoors in, creating a timeless, conscious sanctuary. Pia Design, led by Pia undertook the extensive Thornfield House project, focusing on a sensitive refresh of a beloved Georgian country home located in the North Downs. The overall design for this home drew significant inspiration from its stunning natural surroundings. Pia Design aimed to invite the panoramic views of the landscape indoors, utilizing elements like nature-inspired murals and a soft, seasonal color palette featuring blues and greens to complement the exterior. They also prioritized the use of natural and sustainable materials throughout the house, such as Carrara marble and wooden flooring, alongside fabrics composed of at least 75% natural fibers. This approach not only created a cohesive aesthetic that blurred the lines between interior and exterior, but also underscored Pia Design's dedication to longevity and environmentally conscious design choices. This was further enhanced by bespoke mural wallpapers, such as a hanging ivy design by Sandberg Wallpaper in the garden room, mirroring the adjacent rose garden courtyard, and a panoramic landscape mural by Woodchip and Magnolia in the reception room. In the main bedroom, a custom hand-painted wallpaper by de Gournay created a stunning feature headboard wall, designed to soften the visual weight of the client's existing, ornate wooden bed. The twin bedrooms, affectionately dubbed the Blue and Green Suites, each featured a refreshing color scheme and landscape mural wallpaper, built around their existing beds. Even the dated ensuite bathroom was transformed with contemporary brass fittings, a bespoke vanity unit with fluted wood drawer fronts, and Carrara marble cladding for the shower, complemented by marble mosaic flooring, ensuring an elegant and seamless finish. Even a small guest bedroom was given a unique touch with a cloud-themed ceiling wallpaper by Cole and Son and a mother-of-pearl chandelier, drawing inspiration from the spring colors of the daffodil-lined driveway leading to the house. These artistic choices effectively invited the landscape in, blurring the lines between the interior and exterior environments.